When I was around 15 or 16, I got my own car and wanted it to look good. So just started cleaning it, and it kind of snowballed from there. I'm a super obsessive person, so fits the job really well. High-end car detailing isn't just about the cars I work on, it's about the services we offer and the mindset I have.
We got this beautiful 2021 GMC Tahoe Denali, and we're gonna put a 5-year ceramic coating on it.
You get to take a car like that and make it look perfect. That means just so much more. That's really the dream, is to be just the ultimate convenient, high-end professional shop. Be the one-stop shop for people that really love cars and want to care for their car. I think at the end of the day, when I get to wake up and do something that I really like, get to detail people's cars and protect them and really bring value to people, that's a lot of fun. It's just surreal. I mean, I never thought I'd be here, and it feels better than I ever thought it would.